Hello, I'm Gene Goldman. Here's a look at the week ahead. Well, this week, what we'll watch carefully are the equity markets, of course. We did see a nice late rebound on Friday. Will there be any type of follow through? The S&P 500 continues to hit a support level about 20% from its peak to trough drop. We'll watch for any type of retesting. We do get some economic data this week. I think May PMI is going to be very important. We do expect a slight decline from April's levels, though still remaining well above that key 50 level, which indicates an economic expansion. With all of this said, what we're watching the most is on Wednesday, we get the Fed FOMC meeting, minutes from the May meeting. Three things to watch. Number one, quantitative tightening starts next month. We want more details on the behind the scenes discussion behind quantitative tightening and what's the plans Fed for selling mortgage-backed securities down the road. Number two, rate hikes. Obviously the Fed is in a tightening cycle, but unlike the usual unified message, the Fed is all over the place. You've got, members like Powell, Daly, Bullard all saying 50 basis points. Mester is saying 75 basis points. We really want to see the details in terms of what data the Fed is looking at for each member to decide where interest rates should be. And number three, the Fed continues to be very optimistic about the economy, that it can withstand less stimulus, as we also believe, but we want more details in terms of what the Fed is looking at. The Fed meeting minutes are so important. And as a reminder, I wrote an article last week that's on Cetera IM on Twitter. It's called What They Are and Why They Are So Important. Please take a look at this. Thanks for listening today. For more information, please follow us on Twitter at Cetera IM and see you next week. Thank you.